Dear students, the exam season has been hit by a major security breach. As we know that papers were going to be leaked. But now, Cambridge International officially confirmed that AS level mathematics paper 52 was leaked in administrative zone 3 and 4. While investigations are ongoing to protect the integrity of global grades, a specific and immediate decision has been made for Pakistan. Following decisions with local stakeholders, Cambridge has postponed the AS level mathematics paper 32, which was scheduled to be held in Pakistan on Friday 15th May. The postponement is currently exclusive to Pakistan. In other zones, the exam schedule remain unchanged. Remember this point. The new exam paper will be issued for paper 32 and student can expect a full update of the new exam date and the next step regarding the paper 52 lead by the Friday, May 22. Despite this unprecedented theft and disrupt, the final result release date of August 11 remain unchanged. Cambridge is pursuing legal action against those responsible and advise students to continue preparing for their remaining exam. This is the summary of the email what the Cambridge sent to their students.